This question tells us that the diagram shows 8 identical regular octagons joined together to enclose a shaded shape. Each octagon has side lengths of A. The question wants us to find, in terms of A, an expression for the area of the shaded shape, and we must give our answer in this form where P is an integer. So we want to find the area of the shaded shape. Let's split it up into 2 distinct areas which we can work with. I think the easiest things to do is draw out a square, and we can find the area of the square, and then look at all of these small triangles on the side and work their areas out individually. So first let's find the area of each of these 4 triangles. So it tells us that the octagon has side lengths of A. That means the side lengths of the triangles are all going to be A as well. So let's draw that out over here. A and A. You know that the area of a triangle is half multiplied by base times height. So the area of each of these individual triangles would be half times A, which is the same as half A squared. Of course, that's only the area for one triangle, and we need to find the total area of these 4 triangles. So we're going to multiply it by 4, and we're going to get 2A squared as being the total of the red area, the total of the area of the triangles. Now let's find the area of the center square. To do this, we're going to have to find the side length of the square. Let's look at the center square. This length is going to be A. This length is also going to be A, but this length is unknown, and that's what we're going to have to find out here. I'm going to put a question mark over it. So you can work out that each interior angle within a regular octagon is 135 degrees. So that means this is going to be 135, and this is also going to be 135. And now let's find the size of this angle within the triangle, which will help make it easier for us to work out the unknown length. So that's going to be 360 minus 2 lots of 135, and conveniently that works out to 90 degrees, which means that we're working with a right angle triangle. So I'm going to draw the triangle out over here. We know it's right angled, and we have side lengths A, and we need to find out this side length. So because it's a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem applies here. So that means A squared plus A squared equals question mark squared. That means 2A squared equals question mark squared. So our missing side length will just be the root of that, so root 2A squared, which is A root 2. So now we can find the side length of the square. We have A, and then we have A root 2, which is A plus A root 2 plus A. And that is just 2A plus A root 2. But of course that's only one side length. We're going to have to multiply it by itself to find the area of the square. So that's going to be 2A plus A root 2 multiplied by itself, which is 2A plus A root 2. And now this is just expanding a double bracket. So 2A times 2A is 4A squared. 2A times A root 2 is 2A squared root 2. The same thing, 2A squared root 2. A root 2 times A root 2 is just 2A squared. So let's collect the like terms, and we'll get 6A squared plus 4A squared root 2. And of course that is the area of the square, and we want to find the area of the total shaded region. So we're going to have to add on the area of the 4 triangles, which is 2A squared. So let me just plus 2A squared, and that equals 8A squared plus 4A squared root 2. So whilst this is the area of the total shaded region, it wants us to find it in this form. So firstly, let's factorize the A squared out of that. So that's going to be A plus 4 root 2, lots of A squared. And that's nearly in the same form, but it has root 2 on its own. So to do that, we're just going to have to factorize 4 out of it, and we'll get 4 lots of 2 plus root 2 A squared. And this is our answer, which means that P equals 4, and that is the integer which is correct. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you didn't understand any of it, or you have a problem with some of it, feel free to let me know in the comments down below.